wanted to create a fresh sound. That's why we started playing with vegetables.
Only the freshest vegetables can create an optimal sound, so the orchestra has to buy vegetables on the day they'll be performing. Let's store them in a refrigerator. We're going to try using vegetables which have been stored in a non-linear refrigerator for 1 week.
Can these 1 week old vegetables make the same sound as the produce brought fresh on the day?
It seemed impossible, but it was impossible. This time, we're going to use vegetables which have been stored in an LG linear refrigerator for 1 week.